Kit signups.
83 new DMs. I texted you a few users who have surprisingly active GitHub repos.
Any good ones?
12 are OpenClaw builders.
Next steps?
Should I reply with the Discord link?
Yeah, go for it.
Done. Cool if I turn on your light? It's getting dark.
Yeah.
By the way, I think I should tell you what I just found out about the OpenAI deal.
What you are looking at right now is not a sci-fi movie. It is the absolute death of the smartphone. While everyone is distracted by ChatGPT updates, a massive shift is happening behind the scenes. We are talking about an AI-native device designed by former Apple legends that doesn't just listen to you, it watches, learns, and anticipates your needs before you even speak. Apple and Amazon are terrified, but here is the absolute craziest part. You do not have to wait until 2028 for this to drop, because you can literally build it yourself right now. And if you want the exact blueprints on how to do it, you need to pay attention. Welcome to the AI Money Forge. I have spent thousands of hours and tens of thousands of dollars mastering autonomous AI agents, local hardware, and workflow automation so that you don't have to. Inside the Forge, I am giving you the keys to the kingdom. We have a classroom packed with thousands of dollars worth of premium, step-by-step courses. I'm talking full masterclasses on AI YouTube automation, CustomMake.com templates, and the exact setups to build OpenClaw multi-agent teams that run your business 24/7. This isn't just a course, it's a private headquarters for builders who want to stop renting AI and start owning it. If you want to get ahead of the greatest wealth transfer in tech history, hit the link in the description and join the Forge right now. Now, let's look at exactly what we are building. Let's break down this hardware concept. This isn't just another Alexa. It uses proactive intelligence, meaning it manages your life, your schedule, and your physical environment completely autonomously. It uses advanced computer vision to understand the objects and context around you in real time. But look closely at this Build Your Own section. The open source community is already light years ahead of the big tech giants. Using a simple $10 Raspberry Pi, a microarray, and the OpenAI API, developers have already created a working prototype. I found this hidden GitHub repository that gives you the exact Python scripts to run wake word detection, speech-to-text, and vision-driven conversations locally on your own hardware. You can essentially build a fully autonomous God mode physical agent on your desk by this weekend. The AI hardware race isn't being won in trillion-dollar secret labs, it's being won by everyday people in their bedrooms. Look at this production readiness timeline. They are targeting mass production for 2028, but this goes way beyond a single piece of tech. Look at the device revealed. An AI-native smart speaker with a built-in camera, Face ID level recognition, and ChatGPT at its absolute core. It literally scans your face to authorize purchases. It's minimal, it's sleek, and it's just the beginning. Check out this full product matrix. OpenAI isn't just making a speaker, they are building an entire hardware ecosystem. AI, earphones, smart glasses designed to take down Meta's Ray-Bans, smart lights, and a mysterious AI pocket device pin. Sam Altman himself said smartphones are like Times Square bombarding you with information, and OpenAI wants to build a focused cottage. This is their master plan to replace your iPhone entirely. But here is where it gets absolutely insane. You do not have to wait for Apple or OpenAI to release this in 2027. If you scroll down to the Build Your Own section, the open source community has already beaten them to it. Using a simple Raspberry Pi 4, a Respeaker 4 mic array, and the OpenAI GPT-4 Vision API, developers have already created a working, physical ChatGPT smart speaker prototype. The mainstream media is just barely waking up to this. Articles are dropping asking, can OpenAI build Alexa before Amazon can build ChatGPT? With Jony Ive, the legendary former Apple designer, rumored to be heavily involved, the writing is on the wall. The big tech monopolies are about to be completely shattered. And I went digging and actually found the exact GitHub repository making this possible. It gives you the complete open source Python scripts to run custom wake word detection, speech-to-text, and even vision-driven conversations locally on your own hardware. It uses LangChain agents for live web search. You can literally order these parts on Amazon today, follow these docs, and build a fully autonomous God mode physical AI agent on your desk by this weekend. We are entering the most exciting era of human creation in history. The barrier to entry has completely collapsed. You don't need a PhD from MIT to build revolutionary technology anymore. You just need curiosity. Whether you are wiring up a breadboard, training a local LLM, or deploying autonomous agents to run a profitable agency, the tools are right in front of you. Stop doom scrolling. Stop waiting for the tech giants to hand you the future on a silver platter. The code is open. The hardware is cheap. The only thing missing is you. You can just build things, get off the sidelines, join the AI Money Forge down below, and let's build the future together. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.